What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Cadillac CTS smart key remote fob. This Cadillac CTS key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. And the other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and I'm going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the side that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this little notch right here that the end of my screwdriver's in. What I'm going to do is stick my screwdriver in that notch, make sure it's all the way pushed in there. Then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it pops the back cover up just a little bit. Then we can pull the back cover off like that. Now I'll use my screwdriver to get under the edge of this battery right here and pop it out of that holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down. So the plus side goes down onto the back like that. Snap that into place, into that holder. Then we'll snap the back cover on. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.